welcome back, guys. Well, I've decided that I'm not actually going to go to Simply Porsche this year. I know I missed it last year, and I was looking forward to going to it. It is one of my favourite events, but it's a 2.5 hour drive each way, so really it's something you want to make a weekend out of, and I simply haven't got the time to do that, so it makes it a very long day doing it in one day. And of course it's the fuel cost as well for a run like that. And to be perfectly honest, I've got better things I can do with the time and money that I want to do with the channel, working with Facebook, and I'm thinking of setting up an eBay shop. So I would rather concentrate on all of those, and you know, there's always next year. So gonna miss it this year, but lots of other exciting stuff coming up. And with that, I'll see you guys all again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, click like, and click the little bell so you get all the notifications. See you soon. What I will do, I'll leave you with some clips from previous years at Simply Porsche. Bye. Surely they wouldn't take the money off of the queue. Right, this is absolutely brilliant. We're at Porsche Day at Bewley. Simply Porsche Day, and it is absolutely running alive with Porsches. I remember seeing that. There's my car, there's my car. Well, hey, we're at Bewley, brilliant. We're parked up now. The car looks absolutely brilliant. I got it washed again this morning, and I'm so glad I did. The weather is fantastic, it's better than it was yesterday. And this just looks fantastic. I'm gonna have such a great day here. I'll kind of just do a walk around for you here so you can see just all the cars. I've got to go and do all the stalls. Really got to do all the stalls. And, well, I'll try and keep you posted. It's going to be a brilliant day, absolutely brilliant. Later.
We went to an air show and they had the McLaren results. Yeah.
I love this brand because it represents engineering excellence. I think it has a very rich history.
Where they're on the angle,